Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious toffee without condensed milk. Making homemade toffee is a delightful process, and it starts with just a few simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/3 cup of water. Having a heavy-bottomed saucepan and a candy thermometer ready will ensure your toffee turns out perfectly crunchy every time. Let's get cooking. First, combine your 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/3 cup of water in your heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir gently until the butter melts and the sugar fully dissolves. It's important not to stir too vigorously, and use a wet pastry brush to wipe down any sugar crystals that might form on the sides of the pan. Now for the crucial step, achieving the perfect texture. Attach your candy thermometer to the side of the pan, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom. Continue to cook the mixture over medium heat without stirring. Let it boil steadily until the thermometer registers between 300 and 310 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is key to reaching the hard crack stage, which gives toffee its signature brittle snap. Once your toffee reaches the correct temperature, immediately and carefully pour the hot mixture onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. Allow it to spread naturally. Let the toffee cool completely at room temperature, which usually takes about 1 hour. Once firm and brittle, you can easily break it into delicious, bite-sized pieces. Store your wonderful homemade toffee in an airtight container to keep it fresh and crunchy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.